Hello, and welcome to this video on 5 common interview questions with me, Sean. I will be your serious and scary interviewer today, helping you prepare for your next job interview. Let's get to it. This video will basically consist of a question and then a suggested answer. Firstly, if you're looking for a job or need some part-time work, check out Cambly. You can tutor English online with no qualification necessary. There's flexible working hours. You get to decide when you want to work, and a lot of support systems. For instance, Facebook groups, teaching materials, and their 24/7 customer support is very helpful. First question, tell us about yourself. The way you want to answer this question is by starting off with your current job education, moving on to your responsibilities, and then your previous job or education that you've completed before now. I currently work or study at blank. My position or course is titled this. These are simple ways to get started on your current position, your current education. Next, move on to your responsibilities. My responsibilities include the following. On a daily basis, I do, or I did, if it was in the past, complete the following tasks. Weekly and monthly, I have or had to complete reports, process these inputs, so on and so forth. Finally, move on to the education or job you have had before the one you just spoke about. You go, previously, I worked or studied at this institution or this company, and then continue with my positions or the courses I was taking were the following. Why do you want to work for this company? Question number 2. The way you want to answer this is related to your job or education. Give your company opinion, what you think about the company, and how would you fit into the company? What value do you bring to the company? So starting off, I believe I am the right person for this role because I have been educated and or have had experience in blank. So what skills have you been educated in? What experience have you had? Next, move on to your opinion of the company. Why do you want to work for this company? I like this company because of the following reasons. I think this position would help me develop my skills in, and list off a few things that you would like to have professional development in so that they know that you are interested in this position because it's going to help you as well as help them. Moving on to how would you fit in the company? How do you add value? I plan to use my skills in whatever you've mentioned or other skills to help the company succeed. I think I would be a valued member of the team because blank. Next, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Question that you're going to be asked at 99% of your interviews. Start off with your future position and then move on to how you're going to get to that position by means of education and qualifications. So first, in 5 years, I see myself as a senior person, a senior developer, senior product manager at this company. I would like to follow the path of a professional architect, a professional teacher, a professional nurse, whatever it is that you're going for. I would like to follow the path of a professional something, and then they will understand that this is the route that you want to be in. And you're going to get there by accomplishing the following education and qualifications. To accomplish my goal, I plan to acquire the following certifications so that they know you've looked into it. And I would like to qualify as a registered practitioner, show them that you have an ambition a position that you would like to get to, or a career step that you'd like to climb. Next question, have you been in a position where you were faced with a challenge? Start off your answer by providing the situation that you were faced with, give the resolution that happened, and also looking forward in the future, what would you do differently, or would you do the same thing in that situation? So in the situation, yes, I have been in a challenging situation. For example, when I was working for this company, or when I was working for this person as part of this project, a couple of my friends didn't get along, or the data we collected wasn't correct. Um, and then move on to the resolution. How did you solve it? I decided to take the following approach. What method did you take in the resolution at the time? And then say, I believe this was the best thing to do at the time because what led you to believe that? Um, what processes did you have in place already by the company? And what intuition of your own were you using? Into the future, would you have done the same thing? In the future, I would deal with the situation in the same or different way because it was either very effective or it was not effective. And I achieved the correct results or I did not achieve the correct results. So think critically about the situation and reflect on if you would do the same thing or not. Before we move on to the last question, quick ad from a stock trading application, Wealthsimple. Very simple, very easy to use. You can sign up and trade Bitcoin, New York Stock Exchange, Toronto Stock Exchange. Link is in the description. Final question, what are your biggest strengths and weaknesses? Start off with your weaknesses and then move on to your strengths. My biggest weakness is this, so be clear about it. I've been working on this weakness by researching or practicing using the following learning materials. Explain how you have made this weakness into a strength. Then move on to your strength. My strengths are the following. Keep it simple, keep it straightforward. If you're more comfortable with these questions, then you can add in the fact that certain things were weaknesses and are now strengths, but otherwise keep it simple. I've used these skills in the following situations and projects, so show off your strengths. Where have you used your best qualities before? What are the situations? Give them examples. Thank you very much for watching this video on 5 common interview questions. Good luck and prepare well.